In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to editing in DaVinci Resolve, understanding tracks is one of the most important basics to learn. Tracks are the sections in your timeline where your media is organized. This is where you place and arrange your video clips, your audio clips, and even subtitle tracks. Once you understand how tracks work, editing becomes much easier because everything has a clear place in your project. When you look at the timeline, you'll notice that different kinds of media are separated into their own track areas. Video clips go into video tracks, audio clips go into audio tracks, and subtitles can be placed into subtitle tracks. This layout helps keep your project clean and easy to manage, especially as your edit becomes more complex. To add a clip to a track, start by going to your media pool. This is where your imported files are stored and ready to use in your project. From there, simply click and drag the clip you want into the timeline. If it's a video clip, place it in a video track. If it's an audio clip, drop it into an audio track. DaVinci Resolve is designed to make this process very visual, so just pay attention to where you're dragging the file before you release it. A helpful tip here is to zoom in on your timeline if things feel too small or crowded. That can make it easier to place clips accurately, especially if you're just getting started. It's also a good habit to keep similar types of media organized on consistent tracks, since that can save you time later when making adjustments. If you need more space in your timeline, you can add additional tracks very easily. Go to the track section in the timeline, then right-click in that area. From the menu that appears, choose the option to add a track. Once you do that, the new track will appear and be ready for you to use right away. This is especially useful when you want to separate different layers of video, organize music and sound effects, or create room for subtitles without cluttering your main tracks. Even in a simple project, adding tracks can help keep your timeline much more organized and easier to edit. That's all there is to it. Tracks in DaVinci Resolve are simply the areas in your timeline where your media lives, and once you know how to drag clips into place and add new tracks when needed, you'll have a much smoother editing workflow.